In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nordvpn threat protection. This feature is designed to enhance your online security by blocking malicious websites and files before they can harm your system. It's a powerful tool in safeguarding your digital experience, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to activate and use it with ease. First, let's start by opening up the Nordvpn app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find it on the Nordvpn website under their Download section. Once you have it installed on your device, launch the app by clicking on the Nordvpn icon. You should see the clean, intuitive interface ready for you to explore. This app is your gateway to a safer online world, so familiarizing yourself with its layout can greatly help you navigate its features confidently. The next thing you want to do is locate the threat protection option. On the Nordvpn app's main screen, you'll typically find a list of features and settings that you can adjust to your liking. Somewhere in that list, you should see Threat Protection. It's designed to be easily accessible so you can activate it without any hassle. If you're having trouble finding it, don't worry. The app is user-friendly, and a quick glance through the menu should reveal it to you. Now that you've found Threat Protection, it's time to click on it. This action will take you to a screen where you can modify and view additional settings related to this feature. Here you'll see toggles or buttons which allow you to enable or disable various aspects of threat protection. This is a critical step because activating it will allow Nordvpn to start monitoring your online activity for any signs of danger, such as malware or risky domains. The final step is to enable threat protection. You should see a button labeled something along the lines of Enable or Activate. Go ahead and click that button. Once enabled, threat protection works in the background, consistently analyzing your online traffic to detect potential threats and blocking them before they can cause any harm. It's a set it and forget it kind of feature, which means once it's on, you don't need to worry about manually scanning for dangerous items. Just make sure to keep your app updated to benefit from the latest security measures. Now you've successfully enabled Nordvpn threat protection. With this feature active, you can browse the internet with peace of mind, knowing that your cybersecurity is being vigilantly managed. Enjoy exploring online, safe in the knowledge that Nordvpn is offering you an extra layer of protection against digital threats. Thank you for watching, and stay secure out there.